Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start in the gallery, pick the image you want to improve, and jump straight to edit. Choose filters and tap the built-in Vivid filter. This is the only native filter labeled for that punch. Once selected, you're already changing color saturation and contrast in one step. Make sure to save a copy right away so the original stays unchanged. This preserves flexibility while letting you experiment with intensity without risk. Once Vivid is applied, you should fine-tune it. Increase saturation a little, raise contrast for punch, and tweak brightness so highlights don't clip. You can also change tone or color temperature to keep skin tones natural. Warmer settings add gold, cooler shift toward cyan. Use selective edit to dampen the effect on faces or bright skies. These steps let you control why the photo feels vivid while avoiding overprocessing that flattens detail. You finish by saving the edited image at full resolution and exporting if needed for social or backup. To repeat the look, use copy edits and paste onto other photos, or use the batch edit feature to speed up multiple files. If you can't find the Vivid filter, make sure gallery and system software are updated, then clear the gallery cache or restart the phone. That typically restores missing editor features. If problems persist, reboot and check one UI version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.